Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Turcott.
And I'm Marcus Parsley, and we are IGL Coatings.
And we're here to talk to you today about our window ceramic coating.
It really looks intimidating to me.
So that's what I thought getting started. I opened it up, I thought it was a science experiment, but it really actually isn't. So what you're gonna wanna do is you have two bottles. You have E1 and E2. Comes with two pipettes, and you have a applicator cloth. This is gonna be for what is kind of like our compound for a windshield, so you can get any sort of contamination that's been building up on there, especially when cars have been sitting outside. This is definitely going to be very beneficial for you. So what you do with this is you want to shake this up because you can't really see it, but it is separated. It's water-based, so there's going to be water on the top, kind of like a white chalky chunk on the bottom. Shake it up for a couple minutes, pour it on this applicator pad, and then go around the windshield in a circular motion until it starts to disappear, wiping it off with an IGL microfiber afterwards. After you're done doing that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your two pipettes, you're gonna get equal parts out of E1 and E2. What I like to do is I'll take a piece of tape or blue tape and I'll put it on the first one. This is gonna be for E1 and I'll always know it's gonna be for E1. Put equal parts in this mixing bottle, shake it up for a couple minutes, take the applicator cloth and the applicator block, pour it on here, and then apply it to the windshield. You want to go in an up and down motion, you can cross hatch, and then you leave it on for an hour and that's it.
Well, apparently it sounds to me like we get a lot of different applications out of this kit.
Yes, you definitely get a lot of applications out of that kit. For me personally, I would probably say you might get about maybe 15 windshields out of it. Yes. 20?
15 to 20 cars, and now we can see safely. Mm-hmm. It's all about safety.
Right. For more information on this product, visit autogeek.com.